halogens are on ending halides. Okay, na two halogens. These are also called alpha gamma halides. These are also called omega halides. Omega halides are polymethylene halides. Or polymethylene halides. Polymethylene halides are alpha omega halides. Okay, that means two halogens are on ending. Two halogens are on ending. Example: bromine. On ending, two halogens are on ending carbons. Two halogens on ending carbons. Like this. Okay, now its name is 1 2 3 trimethylene. So polymethylene halides are trimethylene bromide. Trimethylene bromide. Okay, these are examples. Tetramethylene bromide, you can take it like that. Next to the fourth type. The fourth type is very important, that is halogen derivatives of unsaturated alkyl halides. Next to unsaturated alkyl halides. Unsaturated alkyl halides. Unsaturated mean here to the CC double bond, this position is called vinyl position. This is a vinyl group, vinyl position to the CC double bond, that is vinyl. So if halogen is attached to at vinyl position, this is vinyl chloride. Okay, na vinyl group. Okay, now this is a vinyl group. Okay, so if halogen attached to at vinyl position, sp2 carbon, this is sp2 carbon, sp2 hybridized. Okay, so this is vinyl chloride. If carbon is attached to sp2 carbon, they are vinyl type. They are vinyl halides. So the halogen is directly attached to sp2 carbon. In the case of vinyl halides, the halogen is directly attached to sp2 carbon. Next this is one type. And also second model, that is allyl type. Okay, very important. These are very important. CH2, to this some more type I am saying. This is also vinyl. Okay, now this is also vinyl type. Okay, now vinyl type. So here, because CC double bond, halogen is attached to CC double bond. Next to allyl group mean to the CC double bond, if the next position, this position is allyl position. Okay, this position is allyl position. Okay, this is allyl position. Mind it, very important. These are very important. Allyl and vinyl are important. Okay, so this is allyl group. If halogen attached to allyl position, that is allyl chloride. For example, CH2 double bond CH2 chlorine. So this is allyl position. So allyl position chlorine, allyl bromide, anything you can take. Allyl bromide. And also you can take okay. So here this is also allyl type. The group is this must we don't see hydrogens. To the CC double bond, the next carbon is allyl carbon. To the CC double bond, the next carbon is allyl carbon. So that's why this is allyl type. Allyl type. Allyl type. Its name is different. IUPAC name we can take this. Okay now. So this is also allyl type. You can take some more examples for allyl type. So you can take, okay now these two positions. This position is allyl position. Okay, and this position also allyl position. If chlorine is present here, that is also allyl type. Okay, this is also allyl type. IUPAC name is different, but class I am saying allyl type. Allyl type. Okay now, to the CC double bond next position. To the CC double bond the next position is allyl positions. Allyl positions. Okay, allyl type. Next to, so these are unsaturated. Okay, here this carbon is sp3 carbon only. Okay, it is sp3 carbon. In the vinyl case, halogen is attached to sp2 carbon. Next type aromatic halogen compounds. Next to aromatic halogen compounds. Aromatic halogen compounds. Okay. So aromatic halogen compounds mean the halogen must be attached to direct to, okay na, the halogen should be attached to directed to the benzene nucleus. Halogen must be attached to benzene nucleus. Benzene nucleus. Benzene nucleus means it is a ring, benzene ring. You can take a benzene ring. Benzene nucleus. That means this is the benzene ring. If benzene to the benzene ring, halogen must be directly attached. Must be direct attached. Attached to benzene ring. Halogen does directly attach to benzene ring. They are aryl halides. These are aryl halides. Okay, so I am taking here chlorine. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Okay, and also you can take who? Bromine. హలో బ్రదర్ ఎవరు? ఒక్క నిమిషం వస్తున్నా. అజయ్